Welcome to the vCom Solution Training Series, where we break down how vCom's solution offerings can transform your IT environment. In this session, we explore the Network Lifecycle Management solution, what it is, why it matters, and how it solves the common challenges businesses face without a solution and software. See vManager in action with a live demo and walk away with clarity on the value it drives for both customers and advisors. Before we dive in, let me quickly ground us in who we are and why this matters. At vCom, we are built on 3 core values. We give time back to our customers by removing manual, repetitive tasks and taking the busy work off their plates. We deliver information and visibility so you always know where your technology stands and you can make smarter decisions faster. And of course, saving money by eliminating waste and optimizing spend to create real shareholder value. That's the foundation of everything that we do. And we use a lifecycle management framework that covers the 9 stages of any IT asset from cradle to grave. Solution design, sourcing, contracts, orders, assets, tickets, invoices, accounting, and analytics. Each phase is key to making your IT lifecycle efficient, and each stage connects and supports the next. We support customers through this entire lifecycle with a mix of people, process, and purpose-built platform to deliver our 3 values at every stage. Now let's talk about Network Lifecycle Management. Network Lifecycle Management is everything related to managing a company's network infrastructure, internet, data, voice circuits, SD-WAN, broadband, you name it. Many teams are still managing all of this via multiple vendor portals, emails, disjointed applications, and even spreadsheets. It's messy, it's manual, and it's not scalable. Network Lifecycle Management is centralized, and it's an end-to-end way to manage your network infrastructure's entire lifecycle, from planning and sourcing to ops and expense management, all in one platform. Here's why that matters. Say goodbye to juggling multiple vendor portals and spreadsheets. vCom's Network Lifecycle Management solution provides everything in one tool, vManager, giving IT and finance complete visibility at every stage. Your team will always have access to up-to-date information whenever they need it. Plus, you can control permissions easily to ensure the right people see the right data, reducing risks and outages. Our platform bridges the gap between IT and finance teams by pulling them into the same tool where everyone collaborates better. No more throwing tasks over the fence. Both sides have updates and visibility of the data to make smarter decisions across the board. When you partner with vCom, you're not just getting software, you're getting a dedicated team of over 150 subject matter experts supporting your entire lifecycle from procurement, operations to financial management. This is a huge part of the time savings working with us supplies. We handle the day-to-day management so you can get back to what matters most. We bring scalable, repeatable processes with a heavy focus on automation wherever possible. This means fewer manual errors, faster workflows, and more time to focus on strategy versus busy work. vManager isn't just a dashboard. It's a powerful tool where you can request pricing, open support tickets, track assets, and review invoices from a single pane of glass. Bottom line, if your customer has multiple locations, limited time, siloed teams, low visibility, or needs growth and digital transformation support, this is the solution that simplifies everything. Now that you've got the big picture, let me show you how it all works in our platform, vManager. Let's start by looking at assets in vManager. This is where the magic lives. Imagine having all of your active assets visible in one centralized tool. With up-to-date accurate details in the inventory menu, you can see all relevant asset attributes as well as a history of its lifecycle with orders processed, support tickets opened, as well as any current activity. To open a new request, simply click into the network asset you need and utilize the hamburger menu in the top right to see all of your order and support ticket request options that you can open straight from here. Once opened from vManager, you never have to guess if your order or ticket is being worked. It lands with our specialized teams right away, and you can see it in the queue instantly from vManager for status and updates. Our operations experts run every stage of the orders process, and a project manager is assigned for communication and support. Not only can you view any open network orders in the Orders menu Network tab, you can even respond to the latest communication via the notes, so you don't have to navigate to your inbox to respond. Furthermore, when you're experiencing service disruptions, our 24/7 NOC team is always available when you need it, with ticket details and updates you can view from the Trouble Tickets menu. No more waiting for confirmation of your support request or having to call in to hear the latest activity towards resolution. We can even layer on proactive monitoring on your circuits so trouble tickets can be opened and resolved on your behalf even when you're out of the office. And don't forget, you're not tied to a desk. Our mobile app lets you check assets or open trouble tickets from anywhere, straight from your phone. So how do you get started loading assets in our tool? Enter Planning and Procurement, backed by our team of technology solutions experts who help you evaluate your current tech environment and bring your assets into vManager. And we have several ways to get you set up. You can purchase devices through our Buyers Club, or you can simply layer Network Lifecycle Management on top with no disruptive cutovers. What makes this even easier is our custom marketplace tool that lets you kick off pricing requests and shop across all your vendors from one place. Simply make your selections, add notes as needed, and open your request. Our system starts working on generating pricing options right away. No more hopping between portals, juggling account rep emails, or waiting on the phone. It's all in one module, saving you time. We even provide a check providers in my building menu so you can proactively see what vendors are likely available before you place orders. For bigger projects like merging environments or introducing new technology, our experts handle the heavy lifting. We guide you through what we call the buyer's journey, providing comprehensive reports and insights that help you make the best business decisions. Our team takes on the work of evaluating options and provides you all of the detailed results with recommendations based on our expertise. With our support, your team won't have to spend hours vetting and generating RFPs. We do that for you and then empower you with our knowledge and research so you can make the best decision for your business. It's not just procurement and IT that get the benefit of centralized support. Finance teams get powerful tools and specialized support as well with our expense management functions that bring automation and simplification to accounting. All your invoices from every vendor and technology get loaded into one place in our Invoices menu, eliminating the need to collect PDFs from multiple vendor portals or email attachments. We automate the loading of invoices each month, so you only need to go to one place to find them. More importantly, once they are loaded, we decode carrier jargon and charges with normalized language, so you can actually understand what you're paying for on each invoice. As much detail as that invoice provides, we will supply for you, centralized with all your other invoices and in an easy-to-read format. When it comes to accounts payable teams, things are oftentimes manual and time-consuming, and we've solved for that too. Once we have invoices, we will automate the allocation of charges and AP posting file creation processes in vManager. Once it's established, AP teams have full control of allocations and files with various features and menus for visibility and self-service as needed across all your vendors. So what do we do with all of this transparency and data? vManager offers over 100 built-in analytics created from the details we capture across lifecycle management that you can access in our charts and reports menus. If we don't have what you need at the ready, we also have the ad hoc menu, which is a tool that you can customize or build reports from scratch. With so many charts and reports at your fingertips, IT and finance get the insights they need for themselves or to share across the org for alignment and review. That's a wrap on Network Lifecycle Management. If you're ready to save time, gain clear visibility, and optimize your network spend, all while partnering with experts who have got your back, then vCom and vManager are here to help. Learn more and request a personalized demo via our website, vcomsolutions.com. Thanks for watching.